The cabin buzzed with the chaos of boarding. In row 18, a man in a crisp suit and another in worn clothes stood face to face, both claiming the same seat. A flight attendant stepped between them, urging calm, but neither moved. Passengers watched, a child peeking over a seat, someone recording on a phone. The captain's voice broke the silence, asking everyone to take their seats. After a tense pause, the man in worn clothes stepped aside, moving to another row. The suited man sat down, but the air around row 18 stayed heavy for the rest of the flight.